girls on the beat. See what savage on this one, yeah. Whiskey, do you want mama? Make it handle my tingle. These guys I never see you. I pressure the high got me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this breathable wig, closure wig from Luvme hair. So if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. So in this clip, I'm showing you guys everything that comes in the package when you order this unit and some of the things that you will be using while installing this unit. For all my units, especially my frontal and my closure units, I do 10 to 12 straight backs for all my clients. This ensures a flat and seamless look at the end. And here I use a regular beige cap. I like using the beige cap because, I don't know, I just feel like it's best for all my clients. So all my dark skin clients, I use a beige cap and then I tint it with a dark foundation or a dark concealer, as you see I'm doing there. I tint it to match your skin color and use that same color on the lace. So I ask my customer to hold the wig for me and I apply it gently, not messy, onto the lace. I pop the wig on her head to make sure everything looks nice and seamless. Yeah, gotta make sure that back is secured and it doesn't like lift up or have like any bumps. We just want it to be flat. So you see me, I keep tugging, making sure everything is flat over here. And yeah. So after the wig has been securely placed on her head, I go ahead and clean her skin with alcohol and then I proceed to spray a skin protectant on there before I put my glue on there. Okay, so today's glue is sponsored by Erica J. Nah, I'm joking. I wish, but sponsor me though, Erica. Come holla at your girl. So I'm using 4 layers of the Erica J glue. I think this is her regular green, the one with the green writing on there. I'm gonna go ahead and use 4 layers. So I spread 4 thin layers in the area that her lace will be placed right on top of it. Then I blow dry it on cool for it to be clear. Go on with the second coat, go on with the third, then go on with the fourth, and then finally we will lay her lace right onto the glue and then melt it. So you will see that in the next clip. Okay, so now that all 4 layers are evenly dried, I'm going to pop the lace directly on where we applied the glue. And then we're going to use our blow dryer yet again on cold and press that lace into her skin. This is how you're going to get that melt, okay? So we're going to press it into her skin, and then we're going to cut the excess lace off. So be very careful here so you don't cut your skin or your client's skin. So take your time and cut it slowly, and then whatever part you miss, you can go in with the glue and your rat tail comb and detail it and make sure each piece of the lace is laid and melted into her skin. Okay, so you see, these are the parts that I missed when I first applied the 4 layers of glue. So I'm gonna go in with tiny pieces, tiny dots of glue and apply that 4 times dry it, and apply the second one, then dry it and apply up to 4 layers, then lay that last bit down and melt it. So now that everything has been properly glued down, I am going to use our trusted melt belt from Nexclusive, of course. I will leave it in the description down below so you guys could purchase it from our website. It's only $8, very affordable, but it gets the job done. Trust me, you will see the results in the end. So here I am using our hot comb. It's not released yet. It goes all the way up to 500 degrees. Can you believe that? Like, oh my god. So we're going to use that to lay the closure flat. Like, we need it to be on flat. Like, y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all get me, right? So now that the closure has been laid on flat, we're going to be using our barrel curler from Baby Bliss Pro. It's the 1.5 barrel curler. So it's going to give us some nice loose curls. You know, it's gonna give us some body to the hair. You know, we want some body in the hair, whatever. So yeah, if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I curl, you know, in general, just let me know. But this is the results. I pinned the curls, you know, because we don't want it to fall too quick. Pinned the curls and then sprayed it with our Sebastian Sharp, I believe that's the name. We sprayed it with some Sebastian Holden spray, as you can see here. I use a lot, so sometimes it could get overwhelming for my customers. Sorry guys, I don't want your curls to hold, that's all. So here is very self-explanatory. I let the pin curls sit for a minute or two, and then I took them out, and I'm just gonna comb it out and style it, right? And we'll see how the end results came about or whatever, okay? So after taking the pins out, I go in with our wax stick. It will soon be released on our website, nexclusive.com, and once it's released, I'm going to put the link in the description box. So check it out and stay tuned. So I put the wax stick to lay all that flyaway down, and I go in with the hot comb to melt it in and set it in place, as you can see here. So yes, definitely get you a wax stick and a hot comb when it comes out, for sure. And as you can see, that hair is looking laid. The baby hairs did or whatever. I didn't show how I did it on camera, but if you want a detailed video on how I did the baby hair, let me know, okay? And then if you need any touch up, go in with a concealer or foundation color and then pat it in the areas that need it. For those who want to know what concealer I use the RK by Kiss, or RB by Kiss, I think that's what it's called, in the color 16. That's the last shade, so that's what I used with this customer, and as you can see, it turned out flawless. So the thing that I'm spraying is a coconut mist from Morocco. I'm not even sure, but it's a coconut mist. Smells amazing. My customer loved it, and look at those curls, baby. Look at those curls. And look at her. She's so happy. She's feeling herself. Period. As she should. Here I am just using a white tooth comb, combing the curls out, framing her face and how I want the curls to lay. And yeah, look how beautiful the curls came out. Like, she definitely loved it. Look at the smile on her face. She couldn't get it off. Like, look at my little cute self coming into the camera, y'all. Don't mind me. Just focus on the hair, okay? Ignore that we were just practicing a little a little TikTok video that we wanted to shoot. So yeah, but this is how it came out. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. And comment down below what other video you want us to shoot, and we will get it right to you. And also make sure you share and tell a friend about us. Bye guys, and see y'all in the next video.